In this video, you will learn how to create and manage report templates for use within FotoIN. To manage report templates, go to Admin Console and then Report Templates. You will be presented with a list of all report templates. By default, each account receives a basic report template as an example. To create a new report template, click on the New Template button. Provide the template with a name. And select options for how the title page is rendered or not, and what information is included. Once the report is created, you can add additional sections and questions. Under Template Options, there are some rendering options which will control the output of the PDF and Word rendering processes. Render Title Page determines whether a title page is pre-appended to the front of each report. The photo layout can be either a tiled 2x3 layout with 6 photos per page, or a list layout with 3 photos per page. The photo details determines what photo metadata is included with each photo as they are rendered to the report. The footer text can be used to configure a footer to be printed at the bottom of each page. It includes specific text as entered, and you can also select from 3 variables that will be added based on the report's information. Along the left-hand side here are the sections of the report. Each section contains a set of questions and answers. The general information section is added by default. It is the first section presented to the user when they start a new report, and it can contain these 5 questions for which the software will automatically provide an answer. That includes the report's title, the project selected by the user, the address of that project, the user who created the report, and the date at which the user created the report. Those 5 questions can be included in the output by including them in this section. To add additional sections to the report, simply click on the Add a Section link on the left, give your section a name, and then add additional questions. Within a section, you can add subsections. Each subsection will get a copy of the questions defined for that section. So in this case, subsection A, there would be an answer for this is question 1, this is question 2. Subsection B would ask the exact same questions. This is question 1, this is question 2. As you are defining questions, there are several options available. The first is answer type. This controls how the user answers the question. Text and number, the user would enter in either a text value or a number. Photo allows the user to select from existing photos or take new photos. Flip switch, list single choice, list multi-choice, and double list single choice present the user with a list of options. And signature allows the user to actually apply their signature to the report. Require answer selection forces the user to answer that question. Include photos and comments includes the ability to add additional free-form comments and or photos to any type of question. A flip switch question is basically a yes/no question for the user. Very simple way to answer. You can provide here descriptions for true or on, or false or off. Whatever labels you enter here are what will be presented to the user. The question of type list single choice will have a list of values available. The user will be able to provide a single answer by selecting one of the values in the list. List multi-choice functions very similarly, but the user can select multiple values from the list of available options. Double list single choice allows you to combine two lists that in combination would provide a complete answer. The order in which questions are displayed within a section can be changed by simply dragging the questions up and down on the right hand side. After you've made the necessary edits to your report template, you'll have to publish the changes to make the report template available on devices. You can either save your report and come back later to perform that step. Once you publish, the updated template will be available for new reports. If I go back then and edit that same report, I will be notified that those template changes have not yet been published.